Start off with white face paint and a sponge and mark in the areas across your eyes, nose, and mouth. Now keep in mind you can completely use regular makeup for this. It does not have to be face paint as long as it is pigmented enough. Also, you can bring the white paint all the way up your forehead if you're not using a wig, but I was, so I only went about halfway. Soften the edges with white eyeshadow and then put a bright pink over the eyelid, under the eye, and on the sides, making sure it's very well blended. Do the same with the jawline. Now, I know the title is easy 3-color, which we're doing white, pink, and black, but if you want a little extra pizzazz, you can add red eyeshadow. That'll just kind of deepen the look, but it is totally not necessary. Most people don't have red eyeshadow lying around, so if you don't have it, it's okay. Going back to the pink, use a small angle brush and etch in the sides of the nose and the sides of the muzzle. Take pink paint in a little brush, or stick to the eyeshadow if you prefer, and draw in a little cute baby bunny nose. Now fill in the nostril area with black paint or black eyeliner and outline the entire nose as well. Now if it bugs you too much to stick a paintbrush up your nose, I totally understand, you don't have to, but it does complete the look a bit more and help with the illusion. Just keep that in mind. Now take the black line all the way down and fork off in almost the upside down letter V shape and follow the rest of the muzzle lines that you made earlier. This will help with the illusion of more of a rabbit muzzle and hide your own lip. Now I colored in my bottom lip with pink paint. You can use lipstick or makeup, whichever you prefer. By adding some white to the top, center, and sides of the little bunny nose, it will give it a nice highlight. Etch in some pink fur brows, add a bit of white liner to the waterline, and then black paint or black eyeliner for the inner corners of the eyes. A couple dots on the muzzle. And if you're desperate because you forgot to buy white mascara, go ahead and coat a disposable mascara wand in white paint and fluff the lashes away. Alright, here is our final easy 3-color white rabbit look. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. You can find me at Bengal Queen on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Twitch. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.